If you want to take partial screenshots on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G, here's what you need to do. So you can either swipe down from the top right corner and then find this screenshot option, and then you want to tap on that drop down arrow and select partial screenshot. So tap on that, and then now it's going to ask you to draw to select a rectangular area. So if I want to take a screenshot of this area, for example, out of this whole page, I'm going to do that, and once I do that, simply tap on the check mark to save that particular screenshot. Now to take a partial screenshot, I can also use a gesture, and that is my 3 fingers to be able to screenshot that particular area as well. So let's try it with another area, for example this one. So use my 3 fingers, then place it on the phone just like that, and then drag my 3 fingers through the screen to take that screenshot, and then tap on the check mark to save. Now these particular screenshots are going to be saved in the Photos app as the most recent photos. As you can see, that is a partial screenshot, and that's another one. Or if you go to albums, you should find it under the screenshots folder just like that, or the screenshots album. That's basically how to take partial screenshots on your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Like and subscribe to the channel. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.